Welding teaches students various welding processes, procedures, and practical metal fabrication skills through classroom and hands-on lab experiences. Students learn a variety of welding techniques, including arc welding and computer-automated plasma cutting. Welding is associated with the ABC Apprenticeship Program and the American Welding Society. Today we are spotlighting Skills USA reporter Estella Gover, member of the Welding Program. Estella states that her favorite part of the Welding Program is the freedom of making projects in the shop. Welding instructor Mr. Schweinsberg says Estella consistently goes above and beyond expectations. She likes to be challenged, is not afraid to take on projects, and always has a positive attitude. She often steps up as a leader by helping other students when needed, and she promotes the welding program outside of school. She proudly represents the welding program by sharing her skills, showing her projects, and talking about her accomplishments. I believe Estella will be successful at whatever she does in the future. Estella is a senior at Manchester Valley High School, where she is president of FFA and was a participant in Envirothon. When Estella is not in school, her passions include skiing, line dancing, roller skating, showing pigs, sheep, and goats at 4-H, and raising sheep and goats. She also loves practicing field trials with her Chesapeake Bay Retriever Millie and spending time with friends and family. After graduation, Estella plans to attend East Texas A&M, then transfer to Texas A&M to get a PhD in animal genetics.